but I mean, this is like really something I feel like it's all like much beyond our thing, right? Some serendipity or divine or whatever it is. My husband happened to actually talk to, he came in to check out more schools. First, he happened to talk to Bangalore International School. That's based in Hennur. And that was the first actually American international school. At that time, there were not many, right? So they were one of them. So they somehow had a smaller school, and they somehow agreed to it that it's okay, we'll take her. So that was like a huge thing for us. So we enrolled her there. We used to do teaching her in the morning, and at 12:30 she'll go to school for the afternoon classes. So she'll have lunch with the cafeteria. You know, they even offered some speech therapy at OT, and then they did PE and music, and then art. So that's when art came in. So it was much later I realized. Right now I'm like telling people, if there is any kid interested in art, please try BIS, because their art department is one of the best. In the 6th grade, she joins BIS, and just in 1 month, the first PTM, there was a teacher called Frank. So we owe a lot to him. We owe a lot to teachers, but he was the first one. Okay, he was a HOD of art department. So he calls. So PTM, I go there, meet the other teachers, and then he calls me. And then the question he's asking is like, has Sanjana learned a formal art painting? I said, no. I mean, she's done some ceramics and all that, and she does coloring books and all that, but nothing to do with art. We had never taught her anything. And he's like went into a technical mode, and he's like detailed. He's explaining, look at her strokes, this is the shading. So, and then he asked me this beautiful question, which I'll never forget. He's like, can I work with her? Is this something I want to take up? I'm like, please go ahead. Please.
Absolutely. I mean, it takes a lot, I think, to look beyond that label, and which is what I think we always, sort of want to get it to people across.
Correct.
Right?
And in fact,
young adults look beyond the label, see what
exactly right. So in fact, beyond labels is the tagline, the banner we took to the Rio Olympics. Beyond labels. Then he actually is the one who made the breakthrough. A teacher called Malamma. She's also like a wonderful, and she is the one who took her to the next level. She worked on that really, really hard with her also. 10th grade comes, and I have this thing called, I wanted to do a Sweet 16 party for Sanjana. So this Malamma is like a young teacher. So I was just telling her that I want to do something nice and I want to throw a grand party. And because Sanjana loves birthday parties. Then she says, okay, ma'am, we'll do something. And then she suddenly calls me one day and says that you should come and just come to the school. I want to surprise you. You wouldn't believe it. I just go to the school, and at the principal's office, near the principal's office, they have about 50 sketchworks and artworks of Sanjana's. 50 of them piled up in one place. That's what she has done.
Wow.
And she's like, why don't we do a solo show for Sanjana and combine it with the Sweet 16 party? This was the idea she gave. I was like blown away. That scene is still in my eyes. I wish I had much more phone cameras at that time to take pictures. Never forget that. Ran with it. So that was the first solo show. So we lived in a community, big community, and they had a hall, and so we displayed it there. 50 artworks. There was one German couple who actually had come to BIS, watched her do one of the artwork and pre-booked her artwork.
Wow.
Yeah. And 50 artworks went sold in 2 hours. That was how it. And the principal came for the inauguration. The whole BIS came. The school came. So much cheer, and a birthday also. More importantly, I think because our teachers, right, they had a lot of connections. Because we are not into the art world, right? So because of the teachers, they actually called a lot of senior artists who are all senior artists right now. They called them for the show, and some of them are still her mentors. So that is how big it was. And the principal gave a beautiful speech and all that. Beautiful journey. Sanjana gets this International Diana Award. That happened because the school counselor, I think I have to really credit the school because they actually put Sanjana as a poster child for how to stand up to a bully. Okay. Exactly. But there were beautiful there were so many kids who are very close to her and who try to talk to her and as much as you can to a kid on the spectrum. They did all that also. But this negative experience also happened, but they turned it into a positive thing. And then 2015, she graduates from both TLCI and BIS. Huge graduation ceremony, both the places.